Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jay Patadia from Dreamland Production. And you all know that I was facing one issue with my DJI Mini 2. I mean, everybody is facing the same issue with DJI Mini 2, that the flying height is capped at 15 meter. But after plenty of efforts, I could successfully hack it. I could fly my DJI Mini 2 above 15 meters. And today I'm going to share the steps that I followed on the day I hacked my drone for the first time, and I will also share the steps which are actually required to make this hack work for you. So this video will be divided in two parts. So first of all, I went almost 15 kilometers away from my city to a small town, because the area in which I am living is under the altitude limit of 150 meters, and I guess that could be one of the reason I could not hack my drone, and that's why I went far from my city. So that was the first thing. The second thing is that my DJI Fly app was open and my remote control was on, but it was not connected with my mobile. So it means that I had already tried to hack my drone, but it did not work. So I kept my remote control as it is on. My application was also open. Just the thing is that my mobile was not connected with my remote control. The third thing is that along with maximum height, I altered the return to go home limit as well to 45 meters. You can keep it 35, 45, 55, anything, but I kept it 45 at that time. The fourth thing is that after altering the parameters, I did not switch off my drone. I just removed it from the USB cable, and I did put my drone in the north direction, which means that my drone camera was facing the north direction and I was behind my drone. So these are the 4 steps which I did differently than available on YouTube. And of course my fake GPS was on, my internet was off, and I did take off my drone manually just using the remote control. My drone was at the height of almost 6 to 7 feet, where it was hovering for almost 20-30 seconds, and after that I was continuously ascending it, and at the same time I inserted my remote control cable to my mobile, and at that time my screen was like this and the hack worked. So these are the steps I followed on the day I hacked my drone for the first time. But as you can see that there are 4-5 things I did all together. So I actually wanted to check that which are the things that actually matters for the hack, and I tested for multiple times, and based on that I have derived 6 steps which actually worked for me at that time. So now I'm not going to showcase how to connect the drone to your laptop, because there are already a lot of videos available on YouTube. I'll just tell you quickly how to connect it. Download the Drone Hack software on your laptop. When you are installing the Drone Hack software, keep your internet off, and once it is installed and once you are opening the software, you should keep the internet on, because it would get some updates from the server. So it is important that you keep your internet on, and then you can just keep it on, it doesn't matter. Once your software is open, put in the cable in your laptop. Don't attach it to your drone. Take your drone and switch it on, and before it makes this sound, you should connect the USB cable to drone as well, and your drone will get connected to your laptop without any issues. Now coming to the steps, the 6 steps which are important for this. So the first step is just connect your drone, your mobile and your remote control normally without hacking the drone, and you will see that the maximum height is capped at 15 meters. Now the second step is that you need to disconnect the cable from your phone. Now keep in mind that your DJI Fly app should be open as it is. Your remote control should be on as it is. Just the thing is that you are removing the cable from your mobile. Now the third step is that connect your drone to the software as per the steps I have mentioned, and change the maximum height to whatsoever limit you want. I usually keep it at 250 meters. And please remember that do not turn off your drone after altering the parameters. Just remove it from the USB cable. The fourth step is that put your drone in the north direction or in the west direction. It means that your drone camera should be facing the north direction or the west direction, and you should be behind your drone. Fifth step is that you take off your drone using just the remote control. Your phone should not be connected to your remote control. You take off just using the remote control and keep your drone hovering at a height of almost 6 to 7 feet for almost 15-20 seconds. The final step is that open this window in your DJI Fly app when a drone is hovering at 6 to 7 feet, and after that keep on ascending your drone, and along with that just insert the cable in your mobile, and that's it. The hack will work. So using these steps, I could fly my drone above 15 meters, and I hope you would also be able to fly your drone above 15 meters. So do let me know if this hack is working for you or not. And apart from this, there are a lot of doubts in the mind of people, like fake GPS is required or not. So I found that fake GPS is not required. If I share my personal experience, it happened twice that my hack was working perfectly fine. My fake GPS was also on, and somehow the altered parameters got rolled back and my drone came back to 15 meters. So fake GPS as such does not make any impact in the hacks, so it is not required. So there are few more doubts which I was having, and couple of things I have already tested and couple of things I am yet to test. So within few days I'll make a video on that as well. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much.